Garceau with your Idaho News 6 forecast.
So a pretty quiet Tuesday ahead, but we can call this the literal calm before the storm, as we do have our next round of wintry weather that will move in tonight into tomorrow morning. So here are the biggest impacts. Rain, not so much. I'm not ruling out rain at times in the Treasure Valley, but snow and wind are really what we're watching over the next 24 to 36 hours, particularly in the high country of central Idaho and eastern Oregon. Icy roads and slippery conditions, a big concern as well. So how much snow are we talking? Let's get right to it. By tomorrow morning, commute time, maybe a coating. The very light blue shading you see here indicates likely half an inch or less. And that's about what will stay put for the most of the Treasure Valley, the Boise metro region, from Nampa, Caldwell east to Boise into Mountain Home. If we even see half an inch in some of those areas, I would be surprised. But you head west out towards the lower Treasure Valley of eastern Oregon, and then north towards Weiser and the upper Weiser River Basin region, 2 to 4, 5 inches potentially during the day tomorrow. And look at our mountains. For the first time in a while, the bullseye for that really heavy snow is around the east central mountains. So Sun Valley, Haley, Ketchum, the Sawtooth, 10 to 14. 18 inches of snow not out of the question through Wednesday night. Half a foot possible for Stanley. 6 to 10 inches around McCall, Donnelly, and Cascade, and that's through Wednesday night. We'll continue to see a little more snow accumulating Wednesday night into Thursday, especially again around Stanley and Sun Valley. So we do have winter storm warnings in effect for the areas I just mentioned that will see the heaviest snow. The mountains of eastern Oregon, Baker City, the Blues will likely be almost impassable at times. So keep a very close eye on those road conditions and road closures. We see I-84 get closed for storms much less significant than this. So I'd wager a guess that will get dicey pretty quickly. And then a winter weather advisory in effect for the areas in purple because we expect just a little bit less snow, but still travel impacts will be pretty significant. Now, as far as this morning goes, we're seeing a few very light snow showers south of I-84 being picked up on radar, courtesy of a system to our south pumping in some moisture. But for the most part, today does remain mostly sunny and dry until this starts pushing to the south and the east over the next 24 hours. And that's what will pump in the moisture, kind of this atmospheric river once again. And then those gusty winds. We're talking 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts tonight and off and on throughout the day tomorrow. Just a howling wind, even in the Treasure Valley. So batten down the hatches when you go to bed tonight. So your Tuesday, though, actually looking pretty pleasant ahead of all of that. Highs up around 40 in the Treasure Valley. Very seasonable for this point in January. 31 for Idaho City. 31 as well for Council, with a mix of sun and clouds, and we'll see those clouds increasing throughout the day today, especially in the mountains where a few flurries are possible as early as this afternoon and evening, with most of the snow sweeping in overnight tonight and sticking around throughout the day tomorrow. 20 is all we'll get to in Stanley today, 24 in Sun Valley, starting off a little cloudy in the Magic Valley, windy late tonight in Twin Falls, and a high of just 32 degrees for our Tuesday afternoon. So tomorrow, yes, temperatures climb. In fact, upper 40s for Wednesday and Thursday. Slim chance of that light accumulating snow in Boise tomorrow. Not quite as big a chance of precipitation on Thursday. Then our next round of wet weather rolls in Friday into Saturday, but temperatures remain pretty mild.